oxtail plate from DJ Jerk Spot. Will DJ Jerk Spot keep up the momentum and the streak of good food in Parc De Oaks? Ooh, baby. The oxtails are really good. And for the price, they do give you a big portion. Look, mac and cheese. So I said probably about a month ago that Caribbeans can't cook mac and cheese. This mac and cheese is actually decent. A spicy flair. It's creamy. That's good. Cabbage. Ooh, cabbage is a little spicy too. Cabbage mac and cheese. Oxtail gravy. Ooh. Yep, all the food trucks I had today, I can honestly say, hit the mark.
As you can see, we already have the line going. You all ready? So, first man in line, launch it out. Soon be with ya. It's 5 o'clock, Mr. Chimetime meal. Getting it ready right now here at the jerk stop. Check it. Yeah.
All right, right now we're live at Parc De Oaks. It's going down. Shout out to Mr. Chimetime. Right now we have the 100 free meal giveaway.
It's just something about that song.
What do you love about Parc De Oaks?
I love that you can come out here and enjoy, relax, stuff for the kids to go, different food trucks to choose from. Everything's great. Everything good about it.
I love that we could come out together like many different races, different ages, and really have fellowship, have fun, enjoy great food right here in Lafayette, y'all.